nature more often because I don't know. I just think that like the ocean and stuff like that is like nature's beautiful. So
I tend to think of like times with people as beautiful. You know, like when you share like a good moment with somebody, you know, it's beautiful. You know, it's real, it's raw.